In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Venmo. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Inside the settings menu, look for the privacy option and tap on it. After that, scroll down and select blocked users. Here, you'll see a list of all the Venmo accounts you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on their profile. Once their profile opens, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Unblock User. Venmo will show a confirmation message explaining that you'll be able to send and receive payments, requests, and interact with that person again. Tap Unblock User to confirm. Once completed, the person will be removed from your blocked list and you'll be able to use Venmo with them normally again. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.